I'm Sebastian Davies, a learning experience expert at Dassault Systems. Hello, and welcome to this video on title blocks and view tiles. Title blocks, or borders, are common to almost every type of design. They not only frame the drawing, but also provide context about the design and its life cycle. View tiles can be added to the sheet border to show different aspects of the design. They act as windows through which we can see the drawing model space. In this video, we will examine how to add a company logo to an A1 sized border, convert the image to polyline entities, and use view tiles to show different aspects of the design. So, let's get started. We are currently in a drawing of a title block. This is an A1 size and includes multiple attributes. If you want to learn more about attributes in title blocks, take a look at the Optimizing DraftSight Attributes video. To complete this border, we need our company logo, so we will attach the logo as an image. The image is far too large for the border, so we will change the scale to ensure that it fits beside the company address. We want to convert the image into entities rather than having it as an attachment. We will do this using the Power Tools Image Tracer command. As explained in the command notes, we need to deactivate the Entity Snaps command before running the process. Next, we will select the image profile we want, in this case a logo. Everything else is already configured as we want it to be, so we will do a crossing window of the image which automatically starts the image trace. Once it reaches 100%, we click OK to end the command. When we click on the logo, it shows us that the image has been retained and partially converted. Depending on the settings, we can convert more of the logo, but this is sufficient for our current needs, so we will save the drawing. We will now switch to our design drawing. We can see that we have a detailed section of the wall, and if we zoom to fit, we have the floor plan as well. We will use viewports in our sheet to display both the floor plan and wall section separately, each with a unique scale factor. We first click to activate sheet 1, then insert our A1 border as a block. As the block has attributes, we will fill them out to complete the insertion process. Once this is done, we need to add view tiles. We can automatically add multiple tiles, but in this instance, we want two distinct tiles, so we will add two single tiles. After activating the command, we click and drag to indicate a preferred rectangle size, which automatically displays the model view. Next, we want to apply a scale factor to the tiles, so we select one and set standard scale to 1 to 50 via the Properties palette. This is not the view of the model space that we want to see. Double-clicking on the tile activates it, allowing us to manipulate the model space content. We only want to adjust the view, so we pan and zoom into the wall section. The tile is a bit too small, but we can adjust this manually by double-clicking on the sheet to leave the view tile, clicking on it and dragging the rectangle grips, and pressing the escape key to deselect it. We want to adjust the other tile, so we will activate it and pan, then deactivate it and change the tile's standard scale to 1 to 100. We then need to adjust the view and tile size using the same processes as before. This provides us with a clearly defined drawing size, an intelligent border, and different aspects of the design displayed at different scales.